Hey there. If you're trying to become a DoorDash driver, but facing challenges with DoorDash not accepting new drivers, then you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll discuss how to fix DoorDash not accepting new drivers, explore practical strategies to improve your chances of getting onboarded, and point out some alternative solutions so you can hit the road fast. Step 1. Understand the demand and supply. Before diving into applications, it's important to understand why DoorDash might not be accepting new drivers in your area. DoorDash balances driver supply with customer demand to ensure there's enough work for existing drivers. If demand is low, they may temporarily pause new driver applications. Regularly check the DoorDash website or app for updates about driver availability in your area. Step 2. Sign up for notifications. The second step to tackle the issue of DoorDash not accepting new drivers is to sign up for alerts and notifications. Join the DoorDash email list or download their app to receive notifications. This way, you'll be among the first to know when they start accepting new applications in your city. Step 3. Optimize your application. Once you notice DoorDash is open to new drivers, it's time to optimize your application. Ensure your application is complete and accurate. Highlight any relevant driving experience, especially any gig economy work like Uber or Lyft. Also, make sure your driving record is clear as DoorDash prioritizes safe drivers. Step 4. Explore alternative markets. If DoorDash continues to have restrictions in your area, consider exploring nearby markets. Some areas may open up faster than others, so if you're willing to drive a bit further, you might have better luck. Check surrounding areas regularly for open spots for new drivers. Step 5. Try other delivery platforms. If you're still struggling with how to fix DoorDash not accepting new drivers, consider trying other delivery platforms. Companies like Uber Eats, Grubhub, or Postmates often have different availability and may be accepting new drivers when DoorDash isn't. Sign up for multiple platforms to increase your chances of getting work. Step 6. Stay informed. Keep yourself informed about market trends and updates from DoorDash. Join online forums or social media groups where drivers share insights and experiences. Being part of an online community can provide valuable information on when DoorDash might start accepting new drivers again. While facing issues with DoorDash not accepting new drivers can be frustrating, understanding the process and exploring alternatives can open up new opportunities. Stay patient and proactive by signing up for notifications, optimizing your application, and exploring other delivery services. Remember, the gig economy is dynamic and an opportunity can open up when you least expect it. Keep the tips from this guide in mind and you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful delivery driver. Safe driving and good luck.